Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for mindfulness and holistic living. Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of mindful reflections, a practice that opens a window into our inner worlds and enriches our everyday lives. Whether you're embarking on this path for the first time or seeking to deepen your practice, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Mindful reflection is more than just thinking deeply. It's about engaging with our thoughts and feelings in a purposeful and compassionate way. Imagine pressing pause on a busy life, allowing us to savor the moment and truly connect with ourselves. We live in a world that values speed and productivity. Yet without reflection, our experiences might slip by, unnoticed and unexamined. Mindful reflection offers a path to enlightenment, where we can understand our behaviors, align with our values, and make conscious choices. So, why incorporate mindful reflection into your life? The benefits are boundless. Mindful reflection is a practice that can transform our lives in profound ways. It's not just about sitting quietly, it's about engaging deeply with our inner world. Enhanced self-awareness is the first gift it offers. By regularly taking stock of our thoughts and emotions, we learn more about who we are. This self-awareness allows us to identify patterns in our behavior and thought processes, helping us to make more informed decisions and live more authentically. But it doesn't stop there. Emotional intelligence blossoms as we become more empathetic, understanding not just our emotions, but those of others. This empathy enhances our relationships, allowing us to connect on a deeper level and communicate more effectively. We become better listeners, more compassionate friends, and more supportive partners. In times of stress, reflection acts as a release, providing a sanctuary of calm and clarity. It helps us to process our experiences, reduce anxiety, and find peace amidst the chaos. This practice can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, writing in a journal, or spending time in nature. And then there's creativity, the ability to see new solutions fostered by giving ourselves the space to ponder different perspectives. When we reflect, we open our minds to new ideas and possibilities. This can lead to innovative solutions to problems, artistic inspiration, and a greater sense of purpose in our work and personal lives. Cultivating gratitude and positive thinking transforms our view, making space for joy and fulfillment. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, we can shift our mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. This not only improves our mental health but also enhances our overall well-being, making us more resilient and optimistic. Begin your mindful reflection by first creating an environment conducive to introspection. Choose a tranquil spot where you feel at ease. Imagine this as your personal sanctuary for inner exploration. Start with deep, calming breaths, anchoring yourself in the present. It's important to frame your session with an intention, be it seeking clarity on a specific issue or simply being open to what arises. As you reflect, embrace these key principles. Awareness of what arises both within and around you. This awareness is the first step in understanding your thoughts and emotions. Acceptance of your feelings without judgment is crucial. Allow yourself to feel whatever comes up, whether it's joy, sadness, or frustration. This acceptance creates a safe space for genuine reflection and growth. Consider journaling your thoughts as a way to capture these moments. Noting them down aids in processing and provides a tangible way to track your journey. Journaling can serve as a mirror, reflecting your inner world and helping you to see patterns and progress over time. Review your day's experiences, places you visited, interactions you had, and moments of joy or challenge. Each of these experiences holds valuable insights. As you sift through these memories, ask reflective questions. What was meaningful today? How did certain events shape my emotions? And what have I learned? These questions guide you to deeper understanding and personal growth. Reflecting on your day helps you to connect the dots between your actions and feelings. It allows you to see how your experiences influence your emotional landscape and personal development. Conclude your session with gratitude, thanking yourself for taking the time to reflect. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your day and reinforces a sense of appreciation for your journey. Appreciating the insights gained during your reflection can enhance your overall well-being. It helps you to recognize the value in your experiences and the lessons they bring. This completes the cycle of contemplation with positivity. By regularly practicing these principles, you cultivate a habit of mindful reflection that supports continuous personal growth and emotional resilience. To make reflection a habit, weave it naturally into your routine. Start by identifying moments in your day where you can pause and reflect. It could be as simple as taking a few minutes in the morning to set your intentions or winding down in the evening to review your experiences. These moments don't have to be long. Even a brief pause can make a significant difference. Consider morning reflections to set your intentions or evening reflections to review your experiences. Morning reflections can help you start your day with a clear mind and a focused heart. Evening reflections, on the other hand, allow you to process the day's events, learn from your experiences, and prepare for a restful night. It's about finding what resonates with you. Some people find peace in meditation, while others prefer journaling or taking a quiet walk in nature. Experiment with different practices to discover what helps you connect with your inner self. The key is to be consistent and make it a regular part of your routine. Use reminders, be it digital alarms or a tangible journal on your nightstand, to establish your mindfulness routine. Consistency is key. Setting reminders can help you stay on track and ensure that you make time for reflection, even on the busiest days. Over time, these small moments of mindfulness will become a cherished part of your daily life. Over time, these small moments become a beloved ritual that nurtures your well-being and personal growth. As you continue to practice reflection, you'll find that it brings a sense of calm and clarity to your life. It can help you gain insights into your thoughts and emotions, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Remember, mindful reflections don't need to be lengthy. Even 5 to 10 minutes can have a profound impact. The important thing is to be present and fully engage in the moment. Whether you're reflecting on your goals, your relationships, or your personal growth, taking a few minutes each day can help you stay grounded and focused. It's about making reflection a meaningful part of your life amidst the noise and haste of the world. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, but by incorporating reflection into your routine, you can create a sense of balance and harmony. Find moments of stillness even in the midst of chaos and let them be a source of peace and inspiration. GAP 3S. In this chapter, we delve into advanced techniques in mindful reflection. These techniques can help deepen your practice and bring more profound insights. One such technique is the body scan, where you focus on different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. GAP 3S. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Slowly bring your attention to your feet, noticing any sensations. Gradually, move your focus up through your legs, torso, arms, and head, acknowledging each part of your body without trying to change anything. This practice can help you become more aware of physical tensions and promote relaxation. GAP 3S. Another technique is loving kindness meditation, where you cultivate feelings of compassion and love towards yourself and others. Start by sitting comfortably and closing your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and bring to mind someone you love. Silently repeat phrases like, "May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live with ease." Gradually extend these feelings of kindness to yourself, to others in your life, and even to those with whom you have difficulties. GAP 3S. These practices can enhance your emotional well-being and foster a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. By incorporating these advanced techniques into your mindful reflection practice, you can unlock new levels of self-awareness and emotional balance. Remember, the journey of mindful reflection is personal and unique to each individual. Explore these techniques and see how they resonate with you. Mindful reflection isn't limited to formal sessions. You can incorporate it into your daily life in simple ways. For instance, during your morning coffee, take a moment to reflect on your intentions for the day. While commuting, use the time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. Even during mundane tasks like washing dishes, you can practice mindful reflection by being fully present and observing your thoughts and feelings. These small moments of reflection can accumulate, leading to significant personal growth and a more mindful life. Embrace these opportunities to turn ordinary moments into profound experiences, deepening your awareness and enriching your journey of mindful reflection. As with any practice, mindful reflection comes with its challenges. You might find it difficult to stay focused or feel overwhelmed by your thoughts. One common challenge is dealing with negative emotions that arise during reflection. It's important to approach these emotions with compassion and without judgment. Another challenge is finding the time for reflection amidst a busy schedule. To overcome this, start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, the goal is not perfection but progress. Embrace the journey and be kind to yourself. Mindful reflection is not just a spiritual practice, it has a strong scientific foundation. Research shows that regular reflection can rewire the brain, enhancing areas responsible for emotional regulation and self-awareness. Studies also indicate that mindful reflection can reduce stress, improve mental health, and boost overall well-being. Understanding the science behind this practice can motivate you to incorporate it into your life. By reflecting mindfully, you're not only nurturing your mind and soul, but also promoting your brain's health and functionality. In this segment, we dive into real-life stories of transformation through mindful reflection. Meet Sarah, who struggled with anxiety for years. Through mindful reflection, she discovered inner peace and resilience she never thought possible. Then there's James, a busy professional who found clarity and purpose by dedicating just 10 minutes a day to mindful reflection. These stories are a testament to the profound impact of this practice. They remind us that mindful reflection is not just a concept but a powerful tool for personal growth and healing. As you listen to these stories, think about how mindful reflection could transform your own life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of mindful reflections. We invite you to embark on this journey with us. Try incorporating reflection into your daily routine and watch how it transforms your life. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share your own reflections in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories. Stay tuned for more insights on mindful living, and until next time, keep reflecting mindfully.